Okay, so you want to know how to sign up or disconnect any device from your Gmail account? Well, I have the solution for you. If you think that you have been hacked or something, well, this is going to work. So the first thing you have to do is to go this icon of your account. It works on mobile, also works on PC, so I'm going to do it from PC. Then you please here on manage your Google account. Wait a few seconds to this to appear, and then you have to go to security. Excellent. So once you're here, you have to scroll down until you find your devices and press manage all devices. So you press it, and you can see here appear every device that you have. So you click one of them, the one you want to sign out, and you press this button of sign out, and that will be it. So in this way, you will be able to disconnect any device and have control of which device is in your account. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, comment, share, press the bell in the subscription button, and see you in the next easy way video. And remember that we have a lot of tutorials. Goodbye.